when you walk down the road, heavy burden, heavy load. I will rise and I will walk with you. I'll walk with you till the sun don't even shine. Walk with you every time. I tell you, I'll walk with you. Walk with you. Believe me, I'll walk with you.
Why do we have to stop again?
So this bucket of poles doesn't run out of gas pulling into Cymraeg Creek.
We'd be there by now if we didn't keep on stopping.
Maybe you'd like to run along behind us for a little while.
Okay. But why don't you say we make some major speed records? Gas, windows, bathroom in less than an hour for once?
Actually, I was planning on curling my hair when we got there.
Oh,
I'm just kidding. Feeling right? Yeah?
I'll take care of the gas.
I'm just kidding. I want to get there as much as you do.
nobody wants to get there as much as I do. I'll get the windows. Whoa!
Well, 3 months ago, Nathaniel would have stayed in the back seat reading comics.
Or even looking at the pictures. He has come a long way. So have we.
I just wish he didn't have his brain so wrapped around Joe being with us for Thanksgiving.
He loves his daddy. There's nothing wrong with his wanting to be with him.
Yeah, I know. I just hate seeing him get hurt.
What are the odds of Joe showing up?
Same as they are every holiday. Almost zero.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, same to you. I'm sorry I'm staring at you. I just thought I knew you.
I'm Andrew. I haven't been around this part of the world in quite a while.
Russell Green.
It's the face, Mr. Green. I look familiar to everybody.
Not to me. I find your face unique. Very handsome.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much. I take a compliment wherever I can get it.
Welcome.
Grandma, quit talking about the guy's face and let's get out of here.
Oh.
What a beautiful family. What?
They think they're poor. They have no idea at all how rich they really are. Russell Green seemed to recognize you.
He should.
Julia, it's time for you and me to talk.
I can't decide which to wear.
You're lucky you only have 2 suitcases. You know, sometimes being scared is good for you. Lets you know you're still alive.
Oh, well, right now I think I'm just a little bit too alive.
It's gonna be all right. The Greens are very decent people.
I know. So you told me 100 times.
Little boys have been known to love their mothers.
I haven't been a mother to him, not in years. I'm afraid he's not even going to recognize me. I've changed so much.
Give them a chance. Well, here they are.
Erasmus, you have been so helpful to me this last month. I mean, you know, renting me this room and finding me a job and just helping me to get through this and everything. But I have one last favor to ask you. No introductions. Not just yet. I need to sort things out with him.
Julia, I won't lie.
I'm not asking you to. I just let me be the one to tell him myself, in my own time.
Now, I want to hear all about your adventures. Detailed. Don't leave anything out.
We flew in a hot air balloon.
Yeah, and I played guitar at a music festival and talked on the radio.
And I have an Aunt Mooster, and she's 100 years old.
100? Oh, she must be as pretty as you are. Come on. Everybody, I want you to meet Julia. Julia is, her name is Fitzgerald. She lives upstairs in the room there. Julia, I want you to meet the Greens. Russell, Claire, Hattie is Russell's mother. This is their son and daughter, Josh and Dinah. And their very favorite nephew who calls himself Nathaniel.
Well, what can I get y'all to drink?
You don't need to wait on
my
us.
jacket.
Don't worry
We know
about
our
it.
way
Take care of
around.
themselves.
Nice
Nice to meet you, Julia.
Yes.
Thank you.
Julia. That's your name, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like my mom's name.
It is?
Only it's Juliet, like Romeo and Juliet. Romeo might show up for Thanksgiving.
Romeo?
My dad.
Joe's coming here?
Maybe. Do you know him?
Erasmus, he just kind of filled me in on the Green family history. I know a lot about you.
Don't believe everything Erasmus says. He exaggerates a lot.
Your aunt and uncle seem very nice.
Yeah, they're great. Just don't ask Aunt Clara any questions.
Why not?
She's a school teacher. She'll make you learn the answer.
Thanks for the tip.
Welcome.
So, how long you been in Chicory Creek?
A few weeks. Long enough to fall in love with the place.
Oh, yeah.
Good people.
Yeah, starting with Erasmus. He is the best.
Yeah. He got me a job here, you know. At the church. I'm the secretary. Never been a secretary before. It's no big deal.
Well, it's a very big deal.
So Nathaniel says his father's coming to town?
Oh, well, Nathaniel says a lot of things. That's just wishful thinking, I'm afraid.
Well, I guess we all have something we're hoping for.
Yeah. Erasmus, just wanted to thank you for putting us up again.
My pleasure. Couldn't have you and the family spending Thanksgiving on the road.
Well, there's nothing wrong with the road. I expect that's where we'll be spending Christmas.
I don't like the sound of that.
Had a cold last week. It's gone now and forgot to take the cough with it.
Well, your daughter's a doctor. Get her to make a house call.
She's out of town. She found herself a beau and is spending the holiday with his family.
Congratulations.
A little early for that.
Is the trailer unloaded yet?
Yeah, except for the bedding. It's all house cleaning, top to bottom.
Hey,
Hey.
Hey,
thought you all might like some cookies and milk.
Oh, no, thank you. Now I'm saving myself for tomorrow.
And I'm just trying to save myself.
take that evil butterfat away and let me have that cookie.
You think the kids might like some?
Oh, I think that'd be a safe bet.
Okay.
How do you know Julia?
Well, she showed up on my doorstep and asked for a job. Her references were impeccable.
She couldn't take her eyes off of Nathaniel over supper.
I didn't notice.
Maybe she's just hearing her biological clock. You know, wants a baby of her own.
Oh, Russell, please. I hear about my biological clock every time I coo over a baby.
And you're gonna keep hearing about it until it quits ticking.
Talk, talk, talk.
Come here, woman.
You too.
You're pretty good.
Oh, thanks. I'm gonna play Little League. I want to be a pitcher.
Oh, well, a pitcher needs a catcher.
Yeah, I know, but Josh and Dinah don't want to.
Well, I'll catch with you after I do my errands.
You got a glove?
I'll buy one.
Okay. You'd buy a glove just to play with me?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I think I'll come with you just to make sure you get the right kind.
Oh, good for me. Thank you. Should you tell them where you're going?
Nah, they trust me.
Have you seen Nathaniel? We can't find him anywhere.
Well, he was out back a little while ago.
That is the silliest sight I've ever seen you three preparing Thanksgiving dinner.
Well, you know why we're doing it, don't you, Mom?
Oh, why?
Because we're tired of getting stuck with the dishes year after year. This time we cook, you clean.
I don't care how many dishes you stick me with, just don't burn the turkey.
You're not gonna find Nathaniel in the fridge.
Thank you, Erasmus. I was just checking on the turkey. It'll cook better in the oven.
Okay, strike two. Counts 2 and 2. One man's out, man on third. Now, keep it low and watch for the squeeze play.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. You think I let that guy on third score?
Mr. Green, we meet again.
Andrew, right? Small world.
You have no idea.
And who is this?
Fella I met on the highway. You still look awful familiar to me.
I'm looking for Julia Fitzgerald. I'm a parole officer.
She's around here somewhere. So you work on Thanksgiving?
Well, I was in town on business, and I thought I'd stop by and say hello.
Well, wait, parole officer, what's going on, Erasmus?
Still no sign of Nathaniel.
Where's Julia?
She's probably with Nathaniel. Julia is Nathaniel's mother, Russ.
Dear God.
His mother? Really?
When are you going to tell us?
Yesterday. I should have. I'm sorry I didn't do it.
You don't think she's taken him?
Taking who?
Andrew.
Hello, Julia. You know, over the years, I've come to learn that the best strategy is the simplest. Tell the truth.
Truth about what?
Dinah, Josh, take Nathaniel for a walk.
We just got back from a walk.
Take another one.
Cool, Bridget.
Well, it's good to see you again. Be in touch.
You got any plans for Thanksgiving?
Well, no, sir, I don't.
Well, you're perfectly welcome to join us. About 5.
Just might take you up on that.
We look forward to it.
Thank you.
He left his ID.
Rasmus, I just wish you'd told us.
Don't blame him. It was me. I made him promise. I wanted some time for Nathaniel and you all to get to know me.
How are we supposed to do that when you're not telling us the truth?
She was scared, Russ.
What? Of us?
I was scared you wouldn't give me a chance. I mean, you know I turned my back on my little boy, and you must know about the drugs.
We know you've been in jail, and we know you're on probation.
That's all behind me now. I'm not that person anymore.
No, if you're expecting us to trust you anytime in the next 100 years or so.
Russell, there's no point in being unkind.
Mama, she is here because she wants Nathaniel. Isn't that right? Well, we're not turning him over to a stranger. I'll have you know that right now.
I'm his mother.
That's up for discussion.
I know how much I hurt that little boy, but I'm trying to do the right thing. Now, if my past keeps coming up and smacking me between the eyes all the time, how am I ever supposed to make any progress? Can't you all find it somewhere in your hearts to forgive me?
That's not up to us. That's between you and Nathaniel.
So who was that guy anyway?
Friend of Julia's.
Well, how come she didn't seem too happy to see him?
You know, today, I'm gonna teach you how to throw a slider.
You don't have to throw a slider.
Yeah, I do.
Well, tomorrow, Julia's gonna teach me how to throw a curveball.
But she's pretty good at throwing curves.
Good catch. Good catch.
I'm sorry. Don't apologize for tears. Tears can be very good. Erasmus says they make me feel alive. They just make you feel. I can't do this, Monica. What if he hates me? I mean, where will I be then? You'll be wrapped in God's love, no matter what happens today or tomorrow or ever. God sent his angels to this earth with a single message, that he loves his children. He hopes that they love him back, but he has no control over their feelings, just as you have no control over Nathaniel's. Your job is not to make him love you. Your job is to let him know that you love him. Thank you.
So what's this big deal you want to talk about? Can't be baseball because baseball is not a big deal. Well, except to kids.
Well, it is about baseball and fishing and anything else you might be interested in. It's about getting to know each other better.
Way weird.
No, not really. Not when you hear what I have to say. What would you think if Russell and Claire went about their own business and you came to stay with me?
With you?
Yeah. And Erasmus until I got my own place.
Okay, this is definitely weird. What, do you have a thing for kids with red hair or something?
You don't remember anything about me, do you?
Why would I?
Well, because you knew me once. You wanted to be a cowboy, remember?
No.
Maybe you remember this. From this valley, they say you are going. Do not hasten to bid me adieu. But remember the Red River Valley and the cowgirl who loved you so true.
You're not her. She has blonde hair.
I used to dye it. I don't anymore.
She's a druggie.
I changed.
She even smelled different.
I used to smoke. I don't do that anymore either. I'm your mother, Nathaniel.
Why are you lying to me?
I'm not lying. I'm not. It's true. I swear it.
My dad said that my mom didn't want me anymore. That's why he took me.
I was sick.
I did want you. I wanted you very much. I wanted to have you with me and take care of you, but I couldn't even take care of myself, so I had to do what was best for you, Nathaniel.
Get away.
Look, I'm not proud of the things I did, okay? But I don't do them anymore. I don't, I promise you, because I want you back in my life again.
No, hate you, hate you.
Hey, you. I thought I saw you come in here. Well, in fact, I heard you come in here. I didn't know a little boy could slam a door so hard. Huh. Josh and Dinah are looking for you. Oh, this refrigerator needs scrubbing.
No, it doesn't. Cleaned it out yesterday. Just came in here to bug me.
Am I really so transparent? Can you see right through me?
Always. Can't I just be mad when I want to be mad?
How long are you going to be mad?
Oh, the next 1,000 miles or so. I don't want that weirdo for my mom.
Not wanting her in your life, that's one thing, but you can't just wish her away as your mother. That's a title she'll have for life.
But why would I want her when I can have you?
And you're all the boy a mother could want. Oh, Nathaniel, there's so many lessons we have to learn as we grow up. And sometimes we learn them on the first try. But most of the time, we learn best by our mistakes. Now, learning how to forgive, that's really tough. It's easier to stay mad. But unless a person learns how to really forgive, he'll never learn how to really love.
You're trying to teach me something, aren't you?
Uh-huh. Is it working?
Well, let's see. I love you, but I don't want anything to do with her. How am I doing so far?
Maybe it's too much of a lesson for one day.
Yeah, maybe it is.
I just talked to him. He's agreeing.
That didn't sound like a compliment.
Stubborn as an ox.
Comes from my husband's side of the family.
Now, Mama, this is one subject where you shouldn't put in your 2 cents. You're the most stubborn human on earth.
Maybe now. When your father was alive, I was a distant second.
What'd you expect him to do? Just jump into his mother's arms as though nothing had ever happened?
No, I didn't. Not without the support of the people he loves and respects.
Well, I'm sorry, but I am not pushing him in her direction, and you shouldn't either. Woman's been a drug addict and worse for most of her life.
I'm not saying just hand him over. But we do need to give her a chance.
She has had years of chances.
She's his mother. She gets more years. I will not put that child in the middle of a tug of war. Can't do that to him.
How'd you know I was here?
Didn't.
Good. Because if you'd been following me, you'd have seen. Well, let's just say life is full of temptation, and I passed the test today, but I can't vouch for tomorrow.
Why don't you tell me what happened? Help me understand this.
I don't know where to begin.
Begin with my brother. Begin with Joe.
Still get choked up thinking about him. God, I loved him. Still love him.
I had no idea.
It wasn't a one-night stand, you know. It was the love of a lifetime. We were so happy we were together. Oh, like about a year. 86, 87. Then I made the mistake of suggesting something more permanent. It wasn't until after he left that I found out I was pregnant.
Well, what about the drugs? Where'd that come in?
I started doing that as a teenager. Lived my whole life in a haze. The minute I found out I was pregnant, I just quit. I was straight. No booze, no drugs, nothing. Then I hit a rough patch, you know, and a so-called friend said she had something that would make me feel better. I thought, what can it hurt one more time? And before I knew it, once more turned into once a day. What I've put that little boy through. What I'm still putting him through. I'm not fit to be a mother, I know that.
Claire thinks we ought to give you a chance.
I don't deserve it. I mean, I was going to jail, and then Joe just happens to be passing through town, and I surprised him with the news that he has a son, and then I sell him. My own child, I sold him for 50 lousy bucks.
Well, at least you got 50 bucks for him. Joe gave him away for free.
Thank you for saying that. No, really. Thank you for taking care of my son and for saving his life and for giving him a family.
Well, that's it's no big sacrifice. It's pretty easy to love.
Yeah. He always was. There was a time when he even loved me. That really tore me up today. Hearing him say he hates me.
He feels betrayed.
He was.
Well, it's going to take some work getting through all that anger, but if you keep reaching out to him, sooner or later he's going to reach back.
That's my prayer.
I came in here looking for answers to some questions that I had. Saw you sitting in here looking for answers of your own, and Well, I don't have quite so many questions anymore. It's not going to be easy, you know. But Erasmus will always be around. He's got a good, strong grip. You just keep your hand in his, and you and Nathaniel will do just fine. And if you do run into problems, no matter where we are, we can be back here in a couple of days. Knowing you and Nathaniel are here in Chicory Creek will probably get us back for visits more often.
Thank you.
I'll tell you what, let's go give thanks with it, Duke. Let's go.
Hold hands, everybody. Let's have a word of prayer. Nathaniel, that means you too. Father in heaven, we are so grateful for the bounty we see before us and for all the wonderful things that have come to us from your hands. We're especially grateful for each other, fathers and mothers and sisters and brothers and cousins and friends, parole officers. Father, help us to face the challenges of our lives. Help us to love each other. Help us to open our hearts even unto strangers. And bless the food we're about to eat, that it should nourish our bodies as thy spirit continually nourishes our souls. Amen.
Amen.
Well, I think the gentlemen acquitted themselves quite well.
Here. Thank you. Thank you.
Rasmus and Josh did most of the work.
I want to say thank you again for including me. It means a lot.
Couldn't have you spending Thanksgiving alone.
I don't like cranberry sauce.
Thank you.
So, tell me the truth, Uncle Russell. When you go, do I get to stay with you, or do I have to stay with her?
Nathaniel, we were going to talk about this after dinner.
Talk about what?
We're not leaving, are we?
Not forever. We'll be back.
And often, too. Won't we, Russell?
That's a promise.
I don't care. He's part of our family now, and we can't just leave him here.
Not with her. She's a criminal. Just ask her parole
That's
officer.
enough, Josh.
Guess it doesn't matter what I think, does it?
I wouldn't know where to begin.
That's what makes motherhood so exciting.
Rasmus,
Honey,
you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you.
Jake Harding is a buddy of mine in Vietnam. He stepped on a landmine. Now, you look exactly like the corpsman that took care of him, and I mean exactly.
I remember. Doc Toe, bouncing Betty. There's no way to save him.
It was you. That's impossible. You're too young to have been in Vietnam.
Trust me, Mr. Green. I'm a lot older than I look.
Looks like it's gonna rain soon. I brought this by for later. In case you change your mind.
I won't.
You know, I'm not really very good at this whole mothering business. I know Claire's a lot better at it than I am.
I know that feeling. Josh and Dinah are a lot better at the kid business than I am. Maybe we are related.
You don't seem very excited about the possibility. To be honest, you know, it scares the living daylights out of me.
What are you scared of? Try being a kid. Always getting told what to do, not being able to make your own decisions.
You can make all the decisions you want, Nathaniel. The last thing on earth that I want is for you to be unhappy. I'd rather be miserable myself than for you to suffer another minute.
Really?
I know how much you love Russell and Claire. And I know how much they love you. In a lot of ways, you're more their son than you are mine. And you're having a wonderful adventure with them right now. I can't take you away from that.
I can stay?
Yeah, you can stay.
Well, what about you?
Well, I'm not going anywhere. I'll be waiting for you right here. And right here.
So tell Julie I'll talk to her later, and you take care of that cough.
I'll do that. So glad you could join us.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hand it over.
What?
A deal's a deal.
No, now you and Mama already do more than your share, and I'm gonna feel terrible if you don't let us help you.
And so am I.
No, we do not need your help. Neither of you. But we do appreciate the thought.
That was a close call. Television has football
Yes,
today.
sir. After you.
Oh, my goodness.
I think we could have done a better job of cleaning up after ourselves as we went.
I just can't wait till next Thanksgiving.
How's Nathaniel?
Oh, he's sound asleep. He's all wrung out. Me too.
Did you two come to an understanding?
Well, I told him he could spend as much time with me as he wants. And as much time with you. I can't give him everything he needs. I can't be his mother all by myself.
I think you're doing a whole lot better than you think you are.
Answer me just one question. How come Joe ever let you get away? Oh, that sounded close.
Let's gotta wait, Nathaniel.
Get down! Get down!
I know you. I know you. No!
Take him! Get him in!
I've got him. Come on.
I'll call 911.
There's no 911. Volunteer fire department. Numbers by the telephone.
We gotta get her to a hospital.
The nearest hospital is 45 minutes away. Nearest doctor's out of town visiting her boyfriend's relative.
All right, you stay with her. I'll bring the car.
No, wait. I'm gonna stay here.
We have to get you to a doctor.
Take her in the house, Mr. Green.
Tess.
There was another angel here, a man.
Andrew, he'll be back. She needs to be comfortable, and she needs to be with Nathaniel.
Mama?
Would you mind leaving me alone for a minute with my son?
If there's anything you need, we'll be right outside.
Thank you for everything. You've been so kind.
Sorry about all the terrible things I said. Don't hate you. I love you, and I want to be with you forever.
You will, soon enough. Hey, see this locket? Take it. Anytime that you feel lonely or sad, you open that locket up and you remember how much your mama loved you.
From this valley they say you are going. Do not hasten to bid me adieu. But remember the Red River Valley and the cowboy who loved you so true.
Hello, Julia.
We've come to take you home.
You do.
Who are they?
Angels of God, Nathaniel. There's nothing to be afraid of. I love you.
Love you too, Mama.
Turned her life around. She had dreams. Little boy she wanted to get to know. Why, Claire? Why did all this happen? Why was Nathaniel put through this?
People go through things all the time, Mr. Green. That's a part of mortality. This life is a flicker. It burns white hot for an instant and then it's gone. But it sets the course for the eternity to come. There's a mother in there saying goodbye to her son. She's finding a peace she's never known before. And that peace always comes at a price. You are blessed to have been a part of it.
Oh, Claire, this is...
I know who she is. She's your angel.
That's your title. I belong to somebody else.
Andrew. He's an angel, too.
Yes.
I saw him once before. On a field in Vietnam.
And you will see him again someday. You may go in now.
She loved me.
Yes, she did.